Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to process orders in WooCommerce. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to complete this task, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription that costs like $40. Uh, as you can see, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to process order in WooCommerce. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to view incoming orders. Now, before you do that, you have to log into your WordPress account, and to do so, just go to wordpress.com and enter the website. After entering, enter your account's credentials and log in. Now once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, go to WooCommerce in the left sidebar, right here, and click on it. Now once you pay for a subscription, you're going to be able to see your new store or start a new one. Now in this new store, access orders. You're going to be able to see the option orders. Just click on it and you'll see a list of orders with their statuses. Now for the second step is to update the order status. Click on an order and review the details, then change the order status to processing or completed based on the stage of fulfillment. Now for the third step is to notify customers. WooCommerce automatically sends an email to the customer when you update the order status. You can also add custom notes if needed. And that's it. If you follow these instructions, you're going to be able to process orders in WooCommerce successfully and very easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.